I guess Peter Pan was right, growing up's a waste of time. So I think I'll fly away, set a course for brighter days.
First of all, I don't sound like that. What is this character?
Todas las veo buenas, si bebo ron, la blanquita y la morena.
Cash is always Mr. Right, 'cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Just call my name.
The chief has come home! The Alpha protects them all.
Fire? I suppose so. What?
That'd be us.
What happened to your leg?
No!
Let's all just be smart. Although for you that must be hard. You'll get your wand. No one has to come to any harm. Don't try to intimidate. Your bark is much worse than your bite. Who's the baddest of the